Apple has done it again. Just when we thought the Ultra 2 was unbeatable, the brand new Apple Watch Ultra 3 is making headlines for something nobody expected: insane battery life. For years, smartwatches have struggled to last more than a day or two, but this time, Apple might have cracked the code. We're talking about a watch that could go from 48 hours, all the way to nearly 100 hours, depending on how you use it. That's right, Ultra 2 owners are absolutely shocked, and the entire smartwatch industry is buzzing. So in today's video, we're going to break down what makes the Ultra 3's battery life so special, how it compares to the Ultra 2, and whether this is finally the moment Apple takes the crown from Garmin, Suunto, and all the other endurance watch kings. Let's dive in. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. When Apple first unveiled the Apple Watch Ultra line, the entire wearable industry shifted its gaze toward what many considered the boldest step Apple had ever taken in its smartwatch journey. The Apple Watch had always been a lifestyle device, a fitness tracker, and a wrist companion, but the Ultra series redefined what a smartwatch could be for adventurers, athletes, explorers, and even everyday users who craved something more powerful and more durable. With the Apple Watch Ultra 2, Apple delivered an already impressive package, but now, with the Apple Watch Ultra 3, the narrative has taken a new turn, and the biggest point of conversation is not design, not new sensors, and not software tweaks. It's the battery life. For years, battery life has been the Achilles heel of smartwatches, and while the Ultra line has consistently performed better than the regular Apple Watch, the Ultra 3 is promising something so substantial that even Ultra 2 owners are left shocked. The phrase, long-lasting battery life, has been whispered across forums, tech blogs, and social media discussions, with some early leaks and user reports suggesting that Apple has finally cracked the code for extending performance without compromising design. So, what exactly is happening here? Why is the Apple Watch Ultra 3's battery life becoming a headline feature in a world where we've almost accepted that smartwatches need daily charging? To understand this, we first have to take a step back and look at what the Ultra 2 offered. The Ultra 2 came with a claimed 36 hours of battery life on normal use and up to 72 hours with low power settings enabled. For many users, this was already groundbreaking compared to the standard Apple Watch series models, which often struggled to last more than 18 to 24 hours. However, the reality for Ultra 2 owners varied. Some users found that with GPS tracking, outdoor workouts, and constant notifications, the watch still drained faster than expected. Others celebrated that they could finally go on overnight hikes or weekend trips without carrying a charger. Yet, despite the improvements, the Ultra 2 was not completely freeing people from the anxiety of power management. That's why the Ultra 3 is turning heads. Early insights suggest that Apple has implemented not only a larger battery but also efficiency gains powered by the new S10 chip and deeper integration with watchOS optimizations. Imagine this scenario. You are planning a 3-day hiking trip in the mountains, completely off the grid, with no charging opportunities in sight. With the Apple Watch Ultra 2, you might have had to use extreme low power mode, shutting off features you love, just to stretch it out. But with the Apple Watch Ultra 3, Apple is hinting that such compromises might no longer be necessary. Leaks suggest that the Ultra 3 could push well beyond 48 hours of regular use, and in certain conditions, touch the mythical 100-hour mark when used in optimized power modes. If true, this leap in longevity would not just shock Ultra 2 owners, it would